What if I told you that someone right now could Google your name, pull up a government website, and find out exactly what businesses you own, where you live, and how to sue you? No hacking, no dark web, just a free public record search. And if you formed an LLC the traditional way in your home state, that's exactly what's happening. Your name, your address, your business all publicly listed. But here's what the wealthy already know: what big investors, real estate moguls, and even celebrities have been doing for decades. You can legally own a business and have your name appear nowhere on any public document. No name, no address, complete privacy. It's called an Anonymous LLC. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, which 3 states give you the strongest privacy protection, and the step-by-step strategy to set one up the right way. Stay till the end because I'm also going to tell you about a critical mistake most people make that completely destroys their anonymity even after forming an Anonymous LLC. Let's start with the basics. A standard LLC requires you to list what's called a registered agent, and in most states, members or managers, meaning your name goes into a public state database that anyone can access. Now, this is not about hiding from the IRS. You still pay your taxes, you still have legal obligations. This is about privacy from the public, from competitors, from litigious strangers, from anyone who might want to target you simply because they know what you own. Think about it this way: if you own rental properties and a tenant looks you up, you'd rather they find nothing than find every single address you own and how many properties you have. If you're launching a new business and don't want competitors to see your moves, privacy matters. If you're a content creator, a public figure, or someone who just values personal security, your business should not lead strangers to your front door. This is completely legal, and 3 states make it easier than anywhere else in the country. Let's break down each state, what they offer, how they differ, and who each one is best for. Wyoming, the gold standard of privacy. Wyoming is hands down the most privacy-friendly LLC state in the entire country. Here's why. Wyoming does not require you to list member or manager names in your articles of organization, which is the document filed with the state. Wyoming has no state income tax. Wyoming allows what's called a single member LLC with a nominee structure, meaning someone else can be listed in your place. Wyoming also has strong charging order protection, meaning if someone sues you personally, they cannot easily seize your LLC assets, and the annual fees incredibly low, just $60 a year. Wyoming is ideal if you want maximum privacy, asset protection, and a low-cost structure, especially for holding companies, real estate, or online businesses. Services like Northwest Register, Agent and Zen Business specialize in Wyoming LLC formations and can have your Anonymous LLC set up in as little as 1 business day with their registered agent address used in place of yours. New Mexico, the most anonymous state, period. If Wyoming is gold, New Mexico is the hidden gem. Here's what makes New Mexico extraordinary. It is the only state in the US that does not require you to file an annual report. No annual report means no yearly update to public records. No ongoing exposure. Once it's formed, it stays private. New Mexico also doesn't require member or manager names in formation documents, and their LLC fees are among the lowest in the nation. Around $50 to file, that's it. No annual fees, no annual reports, one-time cost, lifetime privacy. The downside? New Mexico doesn't have quite the same level of asset protection case law as Wyoming. But for pure anonymity on a budget, New Mexico is unmatched. Platforms like Inc. Authority and Swift Filings offer New Mexico LLC formation packages that keep your information completely off the public record. Delaware, the business world's favorite. Now, Delaware is a different kind of beast. Delaware doesn't offer the same level of member privacy by default, but it is the most business-friendly legal environment in the world. Over 65% of Fortune 500 companies are incorporated in Delaware. Delaware has the Court of Chancery, a specialized business court with no jury, meaning disputes are settled by judges who actually understand business law. Delaware LLCs are also not required to publicly members' information documents. Delaware is best if you're planning to raise venture capital, bring on investors, or take your company public one day, because investors and VCs expect Delaware entities. Rocket Lawyer and LegalZoom offer Delaware LLC formation with legal consultation packages, ideal if you want your privacy structure reviewed by an actual attorney. Now here's where it gets powerful, and this is the strategy serious privacy seekers actually use. Forming an Anonymous LLC in Wyoming or New Mexico is great, but if you need to operate in your home state, register a business bank account, sign leases, operate locally, you may need to register a foreign LLC in your state. And when you do that, your home state may require you to disclose the member information of the foreign LLC. So how do you handle that? You use what's called the Double LLC Strategy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Form an Anonymous LLC in Wyoming or New Mexico. This is your holding company. Your name appears nowhere on this entity. Step 2. Form a second LLC in your operating state or in Delaware if you prefer. This is your operating company. Step 3. Make the Wyoming or New Mexico Anonymous LLC the sole member of your operating LLC. Now when your operating state asks who owns this LLC, the answer is another LLC. Not a person, a company. Your name is completely removed from the public chain of ownership. This is 100% legal. It's used by real estate investors, online entrepreneurs, attorneys, and high net worth individuals every single day. Harbor compliance is one of the best services for managing multi-state LLC structures like this. They handle registered agent requirements across all 50 states and make sure your compliance doesn't accidentally expose your identity. Taylor Brands and Brizzy are also excellent for helping you brand and manage your operating LLC, keeping your business presence professional while your ownership stays invisible. Let's bring it all together. If you want maximum privacy with asset protection, go with Wyoming. If you want maximum anonymity on the smallest budget with zero annual fees, go with New Mexico. If you're building a venture-backed or investor-ready business, go with Delaware. And if you want true deep privacy, combine the Double LLC strategy with a professional registered agent service. The tools are out there: Northwest, Zen Business Inc. Authority, Swift Filings, Rocket Lawyer, LegalZoom, Harbor Compliance. These platforms exist to make this accessible to regular people, not just the ultra wealthy. Privacy is not a luxury, it's a strategy. And now you have the roadmap. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because every week I'm breaking down exactly how to build, protect, and grow your business the smart way. Drop a comment below. Tell me which state are you forming your Anonymous LLC in? Wyoming, New Mexico, or Delaware? And if you want to see my step-by-step video on how to actually file a Wyoming LLC using Northwest registered agent, that video is right here. Go watch it. I'll see you in the next one.